Good morning everybody. Today we will be discussing on the mechatronics lab, for which we will be designing the gates, basic gates such as OR gate, AND gate, NAND gate, NOT gate and so we will try constructing one of these gates. So first I will be taking the OR gate. You can see in the left hand side we have a OR gate whose symbol is given. Also there is a truth table. So we need to construct this on the using electronic workbench. This is your software, electronic workbench. So I will just run through how to construct the circuit diagram, then we will verify the truth table. So this is called as the ground. We have a battery. This is a clock. We have switches. This is the switch. And these are some of the gates which are there. AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NOR gate, NAND gate. So we have some flip-flops here. SR, JK, D flip-flop. This output, this we will call it as the indicator which gives the output. So let me start constructing the OR gate using these features. So I am taking a ground, I am taking a battery, I am taking a switch now. So let us rotate this, right click and say rotate. So I am copying all the three together. Since we have two inputs and only one output, so I am double clicking on this switch. I am going to name this input as A. I am double clicking on this switch. I am going to name it as B. Now let us provide the connections from the switch to the battery and battery to the ground. Just keep the cursor there, it points, so drag that line to the input of the next one. So battery to switch. Now let us take OR gate from this. So I will connect one of the switches to one of the inputs. I am connecting the other switch to the input 2. We need to give an output to this. So this is the output or LED light which I am going to rotate. Right click and say rotate and connect the output of the gate to the LED bulb. So now let us switch on and see, verify the truth table. When both the inputs are 0, that is A and B are 0, output is 0. So when A is inputted as 1, so I am connecting the switch A to 1 and B is left 0, the output is 1. You can see the light being blown. I will remove this A. Now I will give a high to input B, as a result of which the output is 1. You can verify it through the truth table. See, 0, A is 0 and B is 1, A is 0 and B is 1, and we have the output Y is equal to 1. So I will disable this. Now I will give last input 1 and 1. Both the inputs are 1. So I will connect it A as well as B. The output is 1. So this verifies the OR gate truth table. Now let us see another gate, AND gate. So I just remove this. I will say delete. I am deleting the output. Now you need to switch off this main and then again use the other gate. So I use an AND gate now. We will connect the input A to one of the inputs of the AND gate, input B to one of the inputs of the AND gate, and then we need to provide a output or the indicator. So this output of the gate is connected to the indicator. Now we have the truth table over here, AND gate, and this is the circuit diagram. So I'll switch on and we'll verify the truth table. So when both the inputs are 0, that is A and B are 0, see here, A and B is 0, output is 0. So I'll go to the second input, I'll say A as 1. So here I need to connect it. When A equal to 1 and B equal to 0, the second condition, A equal to 1 and B equal to 0, output is 0. So I'll move on to the third condition, A is 0 and B is 1. So I need to excite B, the output is still 0. So I'll come to the last inputs where A as well as B are excited or in the high state. So I'll connect A and B. So you can see the output is being 1. So this verifies the AND gate. I'll switch off this. So we'll go to another gate, NOR gate. So I'll just delete this. You need to just, whichever gate is being verified, you need to just use that gate. See, this is a 2 input NOR gate. So I'm going to bring this and provide the necessary connections to it. So again we need to have an output or an indicator. So the output of this NOR gate is being linked to the indicator. So I'll disable the inputs. Let us switch on and verify the truth table. See, initial condition when both the inputs are 0, the output is 1. So this A and B are 0, the output is 1. So let me move on to the second condition where A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. So A I need to excite or I move to the high state. So when A equal to 1 and B equal to 0, the output is 0. I'll move on to the third condition where A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. So A is 0 and B is 1. The output is 0 as per the truth table. You can see here. So last condition when both A and B are 1, then the output should be 0. When both A and B are 1, the output is 0 as per the circuit. So this verifies the truth table of the NOR gate. So we'll remove this NOR gate. Next we'll verify the NAND gate. So here again there are 2 inputs A and B. So here I'll be using the NAND gate. So I'm connecting A to one of the inputs of the NAND gate, connecting the B to the one of the inputs of the NAND gate, and then provide an output, rotate, rotate, and connect the output of this NAND gate to a indicator. Now we will switch on and verify the truth table. So when in the NAND gate, when both the inputs are 0, that is A and B are 0, the output is 1. So here A and B are 0, the output is 1. So coming to the second condition, A is 1, so A is 1 now and B is 0, still the output is 1. Coming to the third condition, when B is 1 and A is 0, the output is still 1. So coming to the fourth condition, when A and B both are 1, that is A as well as B are 1, then the output is 0. So this verifies the truth table of the NAND gate. So we will delete this. Next gate is the NOT gate. So in a NOT gate you need to have only one input and one output. So we will provide one input to this NOT gate So this is your NOT gate. I'll be connecting this to one of the inputs of the NOT gate, and then I'll be providing an output LED in order to connect the output of this NOT gate to LED. So now let us switch on and verify. When condition A is open 0, the output is 1. As per the truth table, when A is 0, the output Y is 1. So as per the second input through the truth table, when A is highlighted, the output Y is 0. So this verifies the NOT gate. Whereas the other gates have two inputs and only one output, but NOT gate will have only one input and only one output. So let me come to the SR flip-flops. So here, let me delete all this. So here you have your flip-flops. So initially we'll be taking the SR flip-flop. So again we need to design the circuit. So I'm going to take a battery, a ground and a switch, because there are two inputs R and S. So we need to have two batteries, two switches and two grounds. So I am connecting one of the inputs to the R, one of the switch to the R input and another switch to the S input. So we will name them accordingly.